Good morning, good day or good evening, boys and girls. This is SoloRide, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a split screen effect in Davinci Resolve. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna start to do a vertical split screen. What I did, I prepared two small clips into my timeline. It's one about a little bit of a forest, the other one about a boat. And if I do a playback now, you can see only the forest is going to be shown in the screen, and that's because Davinci Resolve always renders the top video, so you actually don't see anything from the boat here. So if you want to make a split screen, it's actually very easy. You select the top of your both video files, then make sure your inspector window is visible, and then you have to crop it. And there's a cropping section here, and then here you enter half of the pixels that you have in your screen. So in my case that's 960 pixels because that's half of the horizontal width of a full HD video. And well, that's about it. Then if you play back, you see it's working nicely. So if you want to do a horizontal split screen, you can do that as well very easily. Again, click it here, and now you choose the crop top. And here of course you have to insert half of your vertical pixels of your timeline. So in full HD that's 540. And then you have it. Now what's also very useful is this small button here. You can choose crop, and now you see you get nice handles around the cropped section of the one part of your split screen, and you can transform it now just by moving these handlers like this. So this is a very easy way to change the settings, which usually you change in the cropping section of the property inspector. What's also nice is you have a transform section here, and if you use this you can move the whole clip upwards and downwards, so you can do a split section like this. Well guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the content of this channel, please consider to subscribe to it or give me a thumbs up. That would help me to grow this channel. I wish you a very nice day and goodbye.